Big Block Bob coming at you from beautiful Colorado. This is day 4, race day number 3 of Rocky Mountain Race Week 2022. We are car 218. If you're watching online, look for us in the Big Block NA class. A couple things of note: we had to leave around 4 a.m. to make it to Great Bend by noonish to do tech. We're hopeful we get in the tech and get it out pretty quick. You can watch the video for yourself and just see what that process looked like. Thanks for watching.
There's a cool tank over there, but you can't see it. We are almost there. We got 50 miles left to go. We have exited Highway 70. This is pit stop number 2. Everything seems to be working good. Dodge pulling the Chevy. Action coming soon. Alright, we made it. SRCA drag strip, Great Bend, Kansas. What are you thinking, Bob?
I'm thinking it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It's very sunny here. Look at all the sunniness. I just washed it at the car wash. Well, we're gonna unload this bad mofo and I guess figure out where all this crap
Yeah, a lot to unload,
fits.
a lot to pack.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. We just got here in Great Bend, pulled the car off the trailer. We're heading over to tech. Get this thing teched in. There you go. There's Guido. What they call SRCA drag strip. It was the home of the first 1955 NHRA national event. It was originally like a B-52 landing strip or something for World War II. I don't know what they landed here. Some sort of...
Proceed to the route.
Oh, we're not on the route anymore. Where the tech lane is?
Yeah, it should be up there.
There's your buddy in the wagon.
Most fastest, yep.
Oh, this looks like lots of cameras on this guy. I think that's a Cletus. Cletus buddy.
Car washer guy.
Turn right, then turn right.
Oh, driven by a 12-year-old. Scary. Turn right, then turn right. Alright. Oh, look at that. Why not? Dear Hot Rod Drag Week. It's straight up 12 o'clock. We just pulled into the tech line. And I don't know how this guy does it, but you need to take notes from this guy. That's all the longer the line is, right there. And we're here. Hot Rod staff, please get a hold of Matt Frost and ask him what his trick is.
Sick week could use that too.
Yeah, sick week too. I didn't go to sick week, but
It was long, trust me.
well, look at the Zil Camino. Okay, we passed the race week tech. Now we're going to NHRA tech.
Well, Jeff called it. We spent the rest of the night chasing full throttle, wide open throttle switch situations, and other issues that led to no nitrous. After about 17 hours, we had to stop, take a little break, drive out to the road, and wait for the pizza man to deliver. We weren't going to wait in a 30-minute line for concession stand food. Unfortunately, things with staffing, I don't know, it just seemed like it took a long time.
On day number 1, we had to turn in a 1082 with a 6. This was good enough for second place in Big Block NA. We ended up switching classes after all the issues with the nitrous from 10.0 index to Big Block NA.